Yeah. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
From Dubai, patuloy tayo papunta na ng Milan. Another 6 hours later, Milan. Pwede na tayo papunta ng Milan. Sa Dubai to Milan. Another 6 hours trip. Yan yan. Milan, hindi na tayo to Milan tayo 8 p.m. mag-plan and pusin tayo ngayon check out kung na tayo Pasok natin sa pista. Something lang.
So, huwag po kayong magsisira ng gamit ng cellphone. Huwag po kayo bumaba, pakichat po mga iluban po.
Dito tayo ng straight, 30 nights dito sa Milan, Italy. First flight natin. Pagdating lang po namin, so check-in na muna. Welcome to our room. Dito tatapos ang ating first day. So basically yung first day travel lang no Manila to Dubai 8 hours, and then Dubai to Milan another 6 hours. So talagang kailangan lang ready ka sa long trip kasi walang tayuan, halos walang tayuan. Kung nasa aeroplano ka na, tutulog ka lang at dapat talaga matulog ka, bumawi ka para handa ka pagdating. Siyempre, yung adjustment din sa oras, dito more or less 6 hours ang difference ng oras ng Milan to Manila. So, ngayon ay ano oras yun? 11 p.m. dito. So, dyan sa Manila. I think umaga na yung 6 a.m. siguro. So, bukas ang ating pasyal, kaya tulog na po tayo. Good night from Milan.